We also ask the government of Manipur and Indian government to look into the incidents and immediately arrest chairman of the Leilon bypay and also to the women folks that who have kidnapped our civilians that day. And also we are looking for who are the perpetrator and who abducted our people. 476 ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ accommodation ꯄꯤꯕꯤꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯐꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯊꯤꯟꯕꯤꯕꯅꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯐꯤꯔꯣꯟꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯆꯥ ꯑꯊꯛ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯃꯔꯨꯝ ꯗꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯖꯦꯂꯦꯅꯣꯡ ꯏꯝꯄꯨꯏꯅ ꯄꯤꯕꯤꯕꯅꯦ ꯅꯥꯒꯥꯅ ꯄꯤꯕꯤꯕꯅꯦ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯐꯥꯎꯕ ꯈꯪꯗꯗꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯐꯥꯎꯕꯁꯦ ꯃꯤꯁꯝꯕꯨ ꯄꯨꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒ ꯍꯥꯠꯄꯤꯕꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯅꯍꯥꯟ ꯗꯣꯂꯥꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯅꯥꯒꯥ ꯃꯆꯥꯕꯨ ꯍꯥꯠꯄꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕꯁꯦ ꯀꯨꯀꯤꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯃꯤ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯁꯥ ꯉꯥꯒꯨꯝꯅ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯃꯥꯜꯂꯦꯅꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯌꯥꯔꯣꯏ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗꯤ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏꯕꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯃꯣꯏꯕꯨ ꯂꯧꯁꯤꯜꯂꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒ ꯍ꯭ꯌꯨꯃꯦꯅꯤꯇꯦꯔꯤꯌꯟ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯎꯟꯗ ꯒꯨꯗ ꯁꯃꯥꯔꯤꯇꯟ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯕꯅꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯐꯥꯎꯕ ꯀꯨꯀꯤꯅ ꯁꯤꯁꯤ ꯈꯪꯗꯕꯁꯤ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯤꯅꯣ ꯀꯨꯀꯤ ꯏꯝꯄꯤ ꯀꯗꯥꯏꯗ ꯂꯩꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯀꯨꯀꯤꯒꯤ ꯆꯦꯁꯣꯁꯤꯡ ꯀꯗꯥꯏꯗ ꯂꯩꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯊꯣꯔꯛꯑꯣ ꯅꯣꯏ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯑꯆꯨꯝꯕ ꯊꯧꯕꯤꯕꯁꯤ ꯅꯣꯏ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯈꯪꯗꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯤ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯃꯤꯁꯝꯁꯤꯡꯕꯨ ꯄꯨꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒ ꯍꯥꯠꯇꯣꯛꯄ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯌꯥꯃꯔꯣꯝ ꯅꯣꯏꯕꯨ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯄꯥꯡꯕꯤꯕꯁꯤ ꯅꯣꯏ ꯈꯪꯗꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯏꯁꯣꯔꯅꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯔꯣꯏ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏꯕꯅꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯔꯣꯏ ꯑꯁꯤꯁꯤ ꯅꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯈꯪꯕꯤꯌꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯃꯤꯗꯤꯌꯥꯒꯤ ꯈꯣꯡꯊꯥꯡꯗ ꯅꯣꯏꯕꯨ ꯑꯩ ꯈꯪꯍꯟꯖꯕꯅꯤ ꯊꯦꯡꯛ ꯌꯨ
Manipur. Harian Panmai, Chairman, Working Committee, ATC, Manipur. Lungning Khao, Bui Rona, Bilo Kuma, Lungning Heavy Suhatna, Mangoy Rating Bam Tong Thai. Leader Hatsuna. Leilon Kuki Village kasuna, Naga Manipur, Nabi Dikaye, Leilon Kuki, abducted family, Kanam Pangana, pillars to pillar, Anuta Kalaro, Agan Takalaro, Aputa Kalotuna, Zaywana Kapna Vamukon and Tawan Nasuna Vame. Leilon Kuki Village kasuna. Kasati de kalau ngomong leadership ni dia tu mereka malam mereka kamu kau masih sial jam dua le malam pemai malam ni lomba mengai lomba mengai jangan pui community kau salam ni tahu hai kakak kau pune bangga kamu kai we have to unite together and fight tu prisum zeng kau kahak kau tiada lomban to, wasap kau kosak kesina lomban to, kagandam magai. We have to unite and fight. Hai, mereka message sudah bilang ni. Saya ni tu mata khana tu bamai. Kalau kau nampak zebda makai, nak tu na makai, thai ni ku mabam thai. Don jamai kan sok. Pasa kenai ke saya, nanti chess ko सब प्रॉब्लम को नहीं थे, nanti पुलिस ने अपने दो, अतुम chess को प्रॉब्लम को नहीं थे, आज पुलिस ने अपने दो, nanti कहाँ नहीं रहे. Sometimes we have to put ourselves in their shoes. Kini tu kongro kau ni tongso kau, nanti pulang long punya dua, nak kau tu pulang limpa punya dua, semua jangan thai नहीं रहे. Tamenglong Headquarters hai, Leilon Kuki epicenter hai. Anu mana kalam ni merai. Hai. Nama kini kau nak kan jauh lalu. Saya hai. Anu pupuk mana kini jauhkan kalau hai. Anu kandi kalau hai. Tak tu nang ban kau tilau hai. Aban kau tilau hai. Anu tension anu pupuk mana anu kau kandi nang sana ban kau tilau mata. Ila na mara me bau ka kini ne sao sikire sineti ne magai is the current we will fight till the end of one man. We will fight. We will defend our homeland, our territory. We will defend our people, our nation, our land. Hai the Joint Trade Council to statement hai. Hajan Corona, Melkoina Karuna ni Supune, Anutan San Sampune, unitedly we have to fight and we have to move forward. Hai Melkoina Council to Tay, Saireli ni Taswina Dako, Sairona Loimera Magay. Just the beginning. Just the beginning. Anu Sun Sam Natago Pune to Mahe, Kriya Wabitong Tay. Thank you. Good morning.
So my boy. Asai hai je mai liang mai pui mai Tamenglong Headquarters ho Tamenglong tong kai dai ho lung na ba mai ko wei na lung su mai khani za tan zian mai le ka za na wo na ting patik na ba mai khang tura na ne la mai thung ko mai dau pe tong the ko ma sai wo na ba mai kalam hai an liu ru kho sarai ka mai speaker tu na kalam kai si ni sala kan the ko me tiki duina kha ai ni ko ma sala ko ni thai Ito hai para ito Manipur kau Iran kau thakan mai since day one kau tere thana kuki mai khanin tai mai hai kama thakan me tong the hei lung kau tai hei tori kalam suna kuki me nun hai kanu bamnu mana kabang kore na papa me gan kau tai naga mere na adi kam ziana kanu ta tan ta lo kan tu so ito me tore na me gan kau tai pitu tizang lo kan mai Akani khang kage nai me support solokan mai ani man sai dinge to me tong humanitarian ground ho hey ne tal khane Tamenglong Headquarters ho mai CSO non government rui azu kuma tal khame to ngai ri sugo ka me hai ani ponun kan gorana sugo ka me hai 1993 kan khotrena lon patai mai complete su the hoi he kuma sai hai ani khawon ka me hai Tunggu mai supuni the to mai hai kan su ganda ko ro na ni ko dilawai hei ko ma sai hai uki minana na heju su go kan ko kai kan su ganda non khadi zat to leader non ko ro na right the sai mo asai tang mo ani ko kharu ko pa patun mo khai to mai swang lo selo kan ni na ka ma khai mai ko ni india government central government kai ani ko san su na ko ni ko ngai ka wan sang ko de ko mo khao Real time program ko na pagawin ko ngay. Siyempre ko naman na Manipur government na suna ko ngay. Oy naka! Zasri mo to! Zat mo to kane to may. Ito kami itong thay. Kung natigi, asa itong rally he cancel so tek na. Social media ko sa ipag thay. Pagzo ko may patay ko po na ba may. Hiko mo ito, ano ito, di katukatid na ba ito? Di na confused na ba itong pay na nakay. Hiko eh, dyan may Public may leader ko ba talo ko any information na tama kan ko officials na letterhead ko pa ni mga bay mitong letter ano lalaw din ko confused sumizan ko na problem he taran pa puni confused sumizan ko na masay thai may buta puni hay jang ko na chan me tong pao te zalo na ni tani na thai to me ni ko masalo ni mitong kalam thau officials na Thai the to me tong report hai tima bijang kora anu thai the na la manga sai ha tan ba me tong ai darana ko bijang kora na kadu ti thai manga sai he ring na ka ba kha khuni lawang nu dina te ke to thai ka tong the to me to ringmar khotrna ri pana suthara putha naga merona ni tari surai kor de na suloi da padin si ko bijang kora na social media ko official to ha me wai to Adi lum gan ma khe kama kage na mo se leader nung boy ko thalo ko leader boy ko ani pau la ni na the hera ma me tong WhatsApp to hero so me ko ko te la da ma khe kage na me tong information kage na me tong advice suggestion ti lo ni me ko ro na leader ko so ko social media ko so lo yo to me ha ko sa lo ni
Naga Council, Working Committee Executive Members, right now. So, Working Committee to Memorandum of Name. Working Committee, Office of the Working Committee,
Joint Tribes Council, Manipur, Zeme, Liangmai, Rongmai, and Impui. To the Honorable Prime Minister of India, South Block, Regina Hills, New Delhi, to Deputy Commissioner of Tamenglong District, subject, urgent action required for safe release of 6 innocent hostages held by Kuki Village since 13 May 2026. Reference to public mass rally by Joint Tribes Council Manipur. Respected Honorable Prime Minister, this memorandum is submitted with profound concern and urgency following a massive public mass rally organized by the Joint Tribes Council Manipur on May 21-26. The rally unanimously voiced the anguish and demand of the peoples regarding the continued captivity of 6 innocent hostages who have been held by Kuki miscreants since May 13, 2026. Background. Number 1. On May 13, 2026, the assurance been given regarding their safety. 3. The Joint Tribes Council Manipur representing Impui, Liangmai, Rongmai, Zeme convened a public rally in Tamenglong Headquarters on 21st May 2026, where thousands demanded 1. The safe and speedy release of 6 innocent civilians without any harms or further delay. 2. Direct intervention by all the relevant authorities to secure their release. 3. Immediately apprehend the responsibility individuals, groups, villagers who improvise or involved in abducting the innocent civilians. A voice to the JTC Manipur rally, it is respectfully pray that you kindly direct 1. Immediate high-level intervention, CRPF, IRB, or any relevant unit for discreet but firm operations to locate and secure the release of the hostages, while prioritizing their life, safety, and earliest. 2. Law and order reinforcement. Deploy additional.
General Secretary, Joint Tribes Council, Impui, Liangmai, Rongmai, and Zeme. Today, I'm bringing the heart of Leilon Impui to the world. That our heart is very happy and we cannot tolerate that incident happened on 13 May of 2026. And we condemn the incident happened. Our beloved brothers were kidnapped and abducted from the Konsakul by the public Leilon Kuki, and we condemn that incident. And we also ask the government of Manipur and Indian government to look into the incidents and immediately arrest chairman of the Leilon Kuki, and also to the women folks that who have kidnapped our civilians that day. And also we are looking for who are the perpetrator and who abducted our people. We will not give them easily. We will not spare them easily. Definitely, we will take a strong action on them. And also we ask the Indian government and Manipur government to take a strong action against them. Otherwise, we can feel that Indian government is not desires the justice to his people. And today, we saw solidarity, Leilon from Tamenglong headquarters and all over district, that we are one voice, one accord, and we stand together. And we will not spare the issue there behind. We will unitedly fight together, and till the end of the issue, we will stand together and will fight. And this is what I want to give the message to the world, that we are still looking for the culprit who have abducted our people, and why they are hiding till today. They did not reveal our brothers who are hostages and who are kept behind. Today we ask the Manipur government and Indian government to deliver the justice to our people, deliver the justice to the families, and we ask the government to hand over their brothers and two pastors to the beloved family, to the itself. Otherwise, any incident towards happening will be the sole responsible for the government of India as well as the government of Manipur. This is what we want to tell to the world today. Thank you.